Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 25. Today is the last and final day of Vlogmas. It is such a bittersweet moment. I already told you guys a little snippet. I don't want to get emotional or whatever because it's not goodbye, but it is goodbye to Vlogmas. I'm about to head out to a game night. I told you guys about this in Vlogmas day 24. It is 11:22 at night, and that's the time that this Vlogmas is about to start. But I'm just going to show you guys my outfit really quickly. I have on a top that I got from Fashion Nova a minute ago. Fashion Nova jeans. My Zara boots that I got, and I'm wearing it with my little Balenciaga bag. So, that is... that is what I'm doing. I do my makeup a little bit different than what I usually do. It looks gold on camera, but it's actually green. It's like a green eye with a red lip. It's giving real festive. You feel me? I haven't done makeup in so long, so I feel like it's really different for me wearing makeup right now. I haven't worn makeup in a minute. You guys probably saw me wear makeup like 3 or 4 times out of this whole 25 videos, so you know I don't wear makeup every day. So we about to head out and just go enjoy our good old time. And I don't know if I want to bring my camera or not because I don't want people to be like whatever, but I'm bringing it because I don't care. Okay, let's go. All right, come on. It's the last day of Vlogmas. Jay, do you have anything to say to the people?
It was a crazy year. And I know y'all enjoyed me for Vlogmas, you feel me? Y'all enjoyed it, right?
Alright, bye. Sean, it's the last day of Vlogmas. Say something to the people. Happy fucking Christmas. I'm so naughty. I'm not lying, but I'm so naughty. Please, not like hello, hi. Ready. Bam! Okay. Oh!
Turn it around.
I'm sorry, I gave her the answer.
Turn it the other way.
Wait, not yet.
Flip the cards.
No, you...
So
Morning after stroke. Oh, yeah, then ask for that. Whatever.
So, walk of shame.
You're right.
Hurry up.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Main hut man.
Minute Man. Julie.
Yeah.
Give me the sentence one. Heated tank with it.
The cocky way of saying one night stand.
Hit it and quit it.
Oh, motherfuckers got it. What the fuck?
That's the next one. We're fast. Take a gel pal.
Take a chip pill.
Go.
But it wasn't moving at first.
Deadpool. Hit.
Superhero.
Deadpool. Baby Mona. Baby Mona. Baby Boomer.
Baby Boomer.
Baby Mama. Alright, we still beat y'all though.
We smoked them.
Y'all smoked me.
Smoked them. They smoked you.
I will smack the shit out of everybody in this house.
I'm
It doesn't even matter.
Yeah,
We don't care.
They smoked you. Smoked them.
Zana,
Fuck yeah.
If Hunter was here, we would have 15.
Yeah,
We would have 15. How many we had?
2, 4, 6.
Yeah, 6. They had 1.
Y'all hated at us.
It's alright. We don't hate. Y'all ready?
We had French ones.
You gotta
wait.
He said we had French ones.
Go. No. Say do not spur it.
Say don't sprayed it?
State. Wait.
What does that sound
What's
like?
the hint?
Saliva.
Say don't spray it.
Yes.
18. No.
ADHD?
ADHD.
ADHD.
Yes.
Chick-fil-A.
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 What? It's a long
You gotta get this though. You gotta get it. Just think about it.
Oaks, egg salt, Dubai. What the f?
Booty shake. You got drunk in the trunk and you ain't afraid to show
Milkshake
it.
picture, y'all see y'all?
Huh?
My milkshake bring all the what's
Yes.
Snickerheads.
Snickerheads.
Yes.
Impeachment.
Stop.
Impeachment.
She said it.
Yes. Don't drink, guys. It's not good for you.
Drink.
Round one. Ready? So round one, we up 6-0.
Oh my God. Just continue.
Niggas at 6-0.
we up. That's what I can see. Do it this way.
Cause you cheated, like
I ain't cheating. You know what? Y'all gonna leave me alone for that family feud. I ain't played that game yet. Dick, beer, zing. Dick.
Big beer zing. Yeah.
Pit My Ride, Anatomy Edition.
The hint and sausage ring.
She said she went to Simpsons.
Dick,
Skip.
beer.
Skip.
Yeah, skip.
Piercing, that means.
Oh, food fetish.
Yes, that's ours.
Offer, Doug, and Snapchat.
After.
Offer, Doug, and
Hit, heavy duty rub.
Offer, Doug, pass. Oh, what's up?
Bad hint. What the f they made that from?
Fire Festival.
Fake event.
What?
A fake event.
Fire Festival.
Yes, girl.
Low Campo.
Social media star. Your teenage brother role model.
Julie, you're about to say it.
You can say it or do that to change it.
Low
Campo.
Is it a time
Campbell?
No, Logan Paul.
Logan Paul. I was about to say it.
Said it for him.
I didn't know that man.
Man.
That's
We
what
only
I
got
was
2
thinking.
this round, guys. Just
We
two.
had 3.
Two.
We had 3.
Two.
We have 3.
They had 3.
They didn't get these 3. These are wrong. They had these 2. Sorry.
Oh, we need a full fetish and
Losers.
What was the first? The very
Logan Paul, dick piercing.
Dick beers. That didn't sound like anything. That didn't even sound like
We
dick
winning
piercing.
over here. The winning team.
Alright.
Now that didn't sound like dick piercing.
It didn't sound like dick piercing. Why would I think of that?
I just want to know who went fancy subscribers, because that's very your choice.
You know what? I'm bleeping that out because kids watch it.
It's your choice. What's a penis ring?
What you doing, bro?
Bottom feeder.
All right, hold on.
Wait.
I gotta start over.
Very Wi-Fi.
One man.
Go.
Paternity test. Ew. Period. That's me.
That's you.
What else?
Bro, you can't see.
Your
You're
big
at the bottom.
Christmas. No. Group message.
Group message.
Group message.
I guess that.
We in.
Yo, hold it from the bottom, bro.
Kim Jong-un. Kim Jong-un. Why say his name?
Kim Chanu.
That's your regular happy-go-lucky
Pass.
Just pass that bitch. Kim Jong-un. Why would you say his
You
name?
ain't say it. You just said the next round.
We're in. You don't get. Can you move?
Can you move? What's that?
Time.
What else? What was it?
Can you Venmo me?
Venmo.
Who uses Venmo? That's
So we,
a lot of people.
we got
You
3.
use Venmo. Like, what you talking about?
I don't use Venmo.
You use Venmo every day.
We got 3.
Who, me?
That was
Yeah.
good.
I use Zelle.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Zelle
I
and
forgot.
PayPal.
Yeah, free Wi-Fi.
And
Like,
Cash
I got
App
free
sometimes.
We
Wi-Fi.
did. That's the first we got. Winners over here.
Y'all want hookah? Because we've been cheating.
Y'all
I don't
been
care.
100% cheating.
Winners deserve hookah.
Word bye. Yo, you are
No.
so competitive.
From the
Let me
man that had us
show this
restart.
man's
He made us
face.
restart the game.
You are so competitive. Okay? Mind you, the first round we had 7 on our own while they had 1. Let's really talk about it. We really want to talk about it.
First of all,
If we really want to talk about it, we can talk about it.
Because the
All right,
next
why?
round, it was 7, ho.
It was 6.
Bitch ain't shit.
What's up, y'all? It's Christmas. Which means Vlogmas is officially over. Like, I can't believe this. Excuse my voice, because whenever I wake up in the morning, my voice is like hella raspy. It's not really morning. It's closer to afternoon, but we're just gonna act like it's morning, okay? So let me do my intro. Actually, let me say it's afternoon so I can do my other one. Good afternoon, fantasy, family. I need someone who can actually sing to do that intro for me. Because it's over. I need a good morning and a good afternoon. Yeah. So, Vlogmas is over. I cannot believe this. I can't believe I did it. I can't believe I really did it. Like, that's the only thing I can say. I cannot believe that I did it. I didn't close out yesterday because, you know, I was having a good old time. We was having fun. We was like incoherent. We was dancing. We was playing like old school, like reggae, like old school hip hop. Like, we were just like really just going in, and it was just so much fun. I am not somebody who celebrates Christmas. It's not really like, well, it's against my religion to celebrate Christmas. I do not celebrate Christmas. The whole like, the religions just don't correlate. But I am someone who is still festive around the holidays because I do enjoy Christmas, the holiday spirit, the spirit of giving, the lights, decoration, you know what I mean, like the atmosphere when you walk into someone's house and they have all the decorations up, and you know, the Christmas cookies and all of that. I love the, how do I say, the ambiance, is that the right word, of Christmas. So I still am a festive person when the time comes, and because I'm Muslim, we don't celebrate Christmas. It's just not one of the religions that we celebrate. I said religions, one of the holidays that we celebrate. And around this time, you know, it's a lot of like judgment when it comes to people who are not Muslim engaging in activities that relate to Christmas. You know, people all have their own view of it, and at the end of the day, being a Muslim is also to not judge, because that job and power is only up to God. So I say that to say mind your business. No, but I mean truthfully, you know what I mean? Like, if you don't celebrate the holidays, you don't want to engage in the holidays, if a person who is engaging and who is festive asks for your advice, then by all means give it. But if nobody asks you, instead of spreading judgment, more so than anything, try to educate. Don't spread judgment. So I'm just gonna leave that there. But I don't celebrate Christmas, but I'm still festive. But it's just a whole conversation that I can get into about that whole Christmas and Muslim thing. But it's a lot of like judgment that goes on in our community, the Muslim community, around this time, because you will see Muslims who have trees up in their house, who have Christmas gifts, and who probably have blended families where like the father is Christian and the mom is Muslim, or vice versa, which usually is never really vice versa because Muslim men do not really marry Christian women. But if it was the case, they may be in blended families. So it's a lot of judgment that goes on around this time. But I just say to do your research, do as much research as you can, and key thing is your intention. What is your intention behind everything that you do? Always pay attention to your intentions. If your intentions go against what you believe in, then do not do it. Okay, put it like that. But yeah, the last 25 days of Vlogmas, I really appreciate it, because it has really been an eye-opener for me. It's made me realize that I can really do anything that I set my mind to. I didn't think that I was going to be able to make it to day 25. I'm not even going to lie. I started this Vlogmas off with, I may or may not do it. It may be a Vlogmas week and not Vlogmas days, but I did it. This last week, I really could have just did it as a week thing, because I feel like I didn't do too much in my last like 5 final days. It started to really die down. You know how like in most families, they'll probably start to like amp up to like Christmas and the whole family comes over and all this other stuff, but like I said, I don't celebrate Christmas. But it's really made me realize how much I can do if I put my mind to it. And also, I mentioned this in Vlogmas Day 24. It's made me realize how much loving people I have in my life, from friends, family, how they just really brighten like my days. So I really appreciate Vlogmas for that. It's just shown me a sense of tenacity that I have. It's shown me how much, if I put my mind to it and I really give myself a deadline, like a mental deadline, I can get it done. You know, of course there was some times when I didn't really post at 3, being like 3:30, maybe 5, because I was doing other things as well, but I still stuck to it. And a lot of people, I realized like this Vlogmas, a lot of people like plan Vlogmas ahead of time, and I really just decided on December 1st that I was gonna do Vlogmas. So the fact that I was literally shooting the day before I was putting the videos up and I was still able to do it, I'm really proud of myself. And I hope that you guys enjoy this Vlogmas series. If you are If you want to catch up on my Vlogmas series, check the description box down below. I will have a link to all of my 24 videos after this one, obviously. So yeah, we're going to go back to our regularly scheduled programming, which is uploading Sundays, Mondays, and Tuesdays. At 3 p.m. I will be putting up vlogs on Tuesdays, and my Sunday and Monday videos will be my chit chat, get ready with me's, and any other whatever I want to do, maybe like an informational type of video. So keep an eye out for that. And yeah, thank you guys for sticking along with me throughout Vlogmas. Thank you to all my new subscribers that came in to join the fantasy family. Welcome. I hope you stick around. I hope you tell a friend, a sis, your mama, your daddy, your grandma, anybody to come and check me out and subscribe to my channel as well. Don't forget to give this video and all my Vlogmas videos a big thumbs up. Comment down below on what type of videos that you want me to start uploading coming, you know, this Sunday, because that's when it's gonna come up, when it's gonna go up. Wow, I have to record tomorrow, but today I'm gonna relax. So tomorrow I'm gonna be recording for Sunday, Monday, and then I'll be doing a vlog, maybe, I'm not too sure. So yeah, leave a comment down below on what type of videos you guys want to see for the rest of the year, and you know, 2021. I should do like a New Year's type thing. Yeah, oh my god, it's goodbye. I feel like I'm saying goodbye like forever off of YouTube, but I'm not. It's just goodbye to Vlogmas. But I hope you guys enjoyed. You guys saw me in my element. You guys saw me with my hair, like all types of whatever. You guys see me when my room was a mess. You guys see me when my room was good. You see me like with my friends, my family. Like, I really hope that you guys got a little intel or a little like look into my life, into my personality, who I am, and all this other stuff. I know you guys seen a whole bunch of my friends. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. So before we go, I forgot to do my Tula vitamins the last night before I left. I didn't take my last day right here, well, this day, so I'm taking both of them on the same day. But I'll just keep the other one for tomorrow. So the day 13 is You Got Bright Ideas. That's what I was supposed to take yesterday. And day 14 is Confidence Looks Good on You. Okay, so we are finished with our Tula vitamins. Not really, but you know what I mean. Like, we finished our Tula vitamins. If I took mine yesterday, we've been finished today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. I already said that already. And I'll see you guys in Sunday's video. Bye. Love you guys.